After all that, and my engine service soon is still on. What's up guys, it's Marisabel. Welcome back to another video. And here we have the Z running perfect, but I just got an engine service soon light. Don't know why. Maybe because I didn't have gas. What? So I had a little bit of gas, forgot I had to put gas, and then I guess that popped up. So hopefully it's because I didn't have gas. The car was off. I turned it back on, but the light's still on. It's nothing crazy. Maybe it's because I just didn't have enough gas. I don't know. So that being said, we're back. So I still stall. So before anyone be in the comments judging me, different gears when I should not. I be going to neutral when I should not. But and I suck at reversing, which I promised myself I'm gonna get better at that because I always reverse in my driveway. So I need to learn how to reverse. So we're gonna also practice that. Many of you guys have asked how many miles I have on the Z. Right now I put 1,000 miles so far, so I got it at 75,000. And make sure to like the video because we're back. Make sure to comment down below. I don't know, what should I make you guys comment? I have no idea. And then subscribe if you're new, of course. And enough of my face. Here's the Z. Right, are you guys good there? You guys should be good there. Can you guys see my stick?
No.
What? Safety first. I got you. Hopefully you guys don't fall. I don't know if I should guys put you on the window. Let's get this party in here. Kind of nervous. When I'm nervous, I start to stall. Oh, you guys fell again. Okay, Marisabel. That was easy. Now we should be on a hill, right? Yes, sir. We're rolling back. Ah! All right. Stop playing. Okay. Got it. Y'all good? You should be good. Which way do I want to go? Let's go this way. Shifting too hard? I don't know. Someone tell me in the comments. 3? See? When we go to second gear, it doesn't look good. But for third, fourth, and fifth, and sixth, it does not do that, which is so strange. I get super nervous when there's people behind me. I'm like, I gotta go. And then I stall like a dumbass. Ooh. You guys saw that? Yeah, I got it without going to neutral. Alright, oh no. We're slowing down, so now we gotta go back down. So let's go to 3. 3 is up. Yes. I went back to 4. What the hell? Alright, 2. When I shift fast, I tend to mess up. Back to 1. Damn, I stalled. My engine service soon light is still on. Don't know why. I really can't figure it out because I changed a lot of stuff. I just realized I cleaned my car because there was a whole bunch of things that were written here. But I guess that's nice. But yeah, we have no leaks so far, which that is always a good sign. And big puddle right there. This is kind of loose. I gotta probably go home and tighten that up. But there's no leaks or anything. So I had also a leak over here, which was my steering rack, which I had no idea. But other than that, everything is good. So we have no leaks. Yay! So I also found out that why my car, when every time I shift, it goes rear, what is it called? Bushing, something like that. So I have to get that installed as well. I think pretty much after that, I should be good. Hopefully. But let's check underneath the hood now. Yep, everything is pretty much fine. My coolant is perfect. I had it all the way up here. I don't know why I thought it should have been up here, but I missed the lines here. Yeah, that was way too much. Power steering fluid, perfect now. It's not black like I said before. It was really bad, so now that's clear. My rack that's right here underneath is fine. My oil is actually really good. So, oh, what is that? What is that? Like a little bit wet. I mean, nothing should be wrong with it. Rate how I did. Comment down below out of 10. Give me a rating. I'm not gonna get mad. I just want to see what rating you guys give me for driving my manual 370Z. Okay, I kind of was nervous, but I'm getting the hang of it. I still stalled, like I said, as you guys seen. Obviously, washed the car today. I'm not sure, but I gotta put that shield back up. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, make sure to comment down below, and subscribe if you're new, and don't miss me too much. Peace.